So today we'll be talking about the effects of disconnecting a certain percentage of neurons or connections inside our neural network from the nano language model from last time. And so these are some of the graphs we got, the better ones anyway. So on the y-axis we have the average accuracy over 10 iterations or 10 tests at the same disconnection level. And on the x-axis we have the percentage of disconnections. So going from 0 or the original accuracy to 50%. And so we do see the clear downward trend that the more we disconnect, generally, the worse the accuracy will be. Uh, we didn't quite hit that 0% uselessness that we would have wanted when we disconnect all the way down to 50%. But there is a clear trend downwards for most of the way. Of course, in the second graph, you can see some fluctuations. And so that varies quite wildly with each graph. And here we see some other results that varied even more than than we would have expected, and also ended up with a different result than we would have expected or wanted at the 50% mark. And so the reason for this could be a number of factors. One, obviously the model doesn't necessarily perform too well. Maybe we're not testing it in the right way. And the other thing might be that if you do have a model that is too complex or overfitting, then sometimes reducing the number of neurons or the number of connections does actually benefit the model in terms of better generalization. And so maybe that's what's happening here, but overall, judging by the downwards trend, maybe not. So there is that slight fluctuation at the end, and sometimes the 50% does jump up, which is something that is somewhat unexpected in that I might have reasons for, as I previously stated, but I'm not 100% sure as to why it happens. So overall, we do have the downwards trend. The more we disconnect, the more accuracy decreases. And so that's what we expect. But we do also have those little fluctuations that I mentioned that I cannot fully explain. I have some reasons for that I stated, but yeah. Thank you for watching.